Hey folks, Watson here from Watson's Reviews. Do you ever go to clean your house, look around and realize you're going to have to get out a broom, dustpan, mop, vacuum, upholstery cleaner, etc. and think, man, I wish there was an easier, more convenient way to do this? Well, you're in for a treat, because today we're checking out the eufy Omni E28. It's a deep cleaning machine with all those features and a whole lot more. So let's go ahead and check it out right about now. This is the world's first 2-in-1 HydroJet floor washing robot vacuum with Detachable Portable Deep Cleaner. That's right, one machine that does both floor cleaning and deep fabric cleaning. And you don't need a whole closet full of gadgets to do it. So let's dive into what makes the Omni E28 so versatile. First, and probably my favorite part, is that portable deep cleaner that detaches from the robot. So when your couch gets stained or the dog tracks mud onto the stairs, just pop off the cleaner and go to work. No extra tools, no extra machines, just lift up and take it to where you need it. Normally, I'd have to drag out the upright steam cleaner and set up its accessories for this kind of spot cleaning, but the PDC is ready to go when you need it. It's great for wet stuff, like if the kids spilled Go-Gurt on the couch, for example. I was curious to try this on old stains too, because you can pre-treat those and then finish the job with the scrubbing and sort of rinsing power of the PDC. And it does do a great job of sucking up the liquid, so you're not left with a soggy couch cushion. With the dual tank system, it keeps the clean water separate from the dirty water. Just refill right here, easy enough. It's got the one-touch self-cleaning feature too, so just give that a go when you're done, and put the cleaner back in the holster, and set the PDC back on the base. Note the discrete hose storage as well, just fits right in there, like so. A great thing about the self-cleaning is that it prevents odors from developing. After you get the hose clean, you can let it sit for weeks, and you know that it's clean and it won't start to stink from, say, vacuuming up milk products, like you saw here. Nice. Another really great feature of the PDC is you can do all this while the robot is out there cleaning. That's right, you and your robot buddy can work simultaneously, so you can do some spot cleaning while it vacuums and mops. Yay, teamwork! The next big feature is the robot itself is powered by the HydroJet floor washing system. This is some serious cleaning power, folks. We're talking about the ability to scrub away sticky spills, dried milk, and anything your kids or pets can throw at it. What sets it apart is that the HydroJet feature doesn't just wipe, it washes by continuously cleaning the mop as it goes. So you're not spreading the messes around, and you end up with a deep, more precise cleaning result. Like a mop and vacuum all in one. I can just picture myself getting out a handheld mop, using it, rinsing it, and having to wait a while for the floor to dry. And this doesn't leave much moisture behind on the floor because the roller is constantly cleaning up after itself as it goes. Very cool. A couple more notable features about the HydroJet system. It does 360 rotations per minute with 1.5 kilograms of pressure, downward pressure, to really get a good scrub on, and TUV certification. Very nice. Next, we've got the real backbone of the whole operation, the 20,000 PA of suction power. It is a vacuum after all. And that's plenty enough suction to lift dirt from deep in the carpets and to totally clear your hard floors. So whether it's crumbs, pet hair, sand, whatever, the E28 handles it like a champ. And to help all that suction do its thing are the DuoSpiral Brushes. These are designed to dig into the fibers of your carpet and spin debris right into the suction path. These brushes are built for some serious cleaning and helping to funnel the dirt inward instead of flicking it around. Makes sense, right? And perhaps most importantly, the design helps to keep hair from getting tangled around the rollers too. The brushes actually have this unique retractable design, whereas if anything gets tightly wound around it, when it returns to the dock, the roller brush is open and the suction removes the hair. So you've got no tangles. Awesome. Now let's talk about some more quality of life features that'll make your life even easier. There's the CornerRover Arm that helps the E28 reach right into corners and along baseboards, trim, etc. So now there's nowhere for that dirt to hide. The CornerRover has a little swivel extender that lets those soft brushes grab and push debris back into the suction path. So it can essentially grab and pull stuff out of the corners without scratching anything. You've also got some really great obstacle and pet avoidance with the AIC technology. It can identify all types of different objects and reroute as needed. Plus, there's a really cool headlight for those dark and low-lying areas. And as you've seen in the background, this comes with an all-in-one docking station, which means hands-free cleaning and maintenance. You don't have to empty or clean it manually every time. When the E28's done with its cleaning, it'll go back to the station, and clean itself out, dry the mop heads, and recharge for next time. Very efficient. Let's not forget about that handy Eufy app. All these smart functions are brought together in one place at the app, so you can have full control over the device, and set up schedules, check the status, perform all the cleaning operations, etc. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I won't go into too much more detail, but you can see how easy it is to control the device and set it up how you like. And here's a little icing on the cake. It's built with the planet in mind. Yeah, the eco-friendly packaging is 95% recyclable, and the unit itself is built to save energy without sacrificing cleaning power. Plus, since this could potentially replace several larger devices, it saves on raw materials and space too. So the bottom line, the Eufy E28 is made for those real-life situations. You got messes here, there, everywhere. This robot plus the handheld combo, it's got your back. Got the powerful suction, the thorough mopping, and that freedom to spot clean anywhere. Plus, you don't have to clutter up your house or closets with a bunch of devices. So if you're into that all-in-one solution with the handheld deep cleaning, go for the E28. But say you're on a tighter budget, or you actually just don't need a portable deep cleaner, you can check out the E25. You still get that 20,000 PA of suction and the HydroJet washing, but it's easier on the budget. So what do you guys think, E28 or E25? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I think if you're going to upgrade devices, you might as well just get that deep cleaner too. And when you use it once or twice, you'll start to realize how cool it is to have that easy spot cleaning just right on tap. Well, there you go, folks. Very cool, versatile machine from a great company. Hope you enjoyed the video. Join us next time on Watson's Reviews. Watson out.